Adams, welcome to my channel Adam Barwell, and today is the day, guys, that I will be reviewing, doing a wear test for the Blackwater BB cream for men. This is gonna be my first time trying on makeup, and if you're new, you know what to do, guys. You're already here, so you might as well subscribe, okay? Hit that red button below that is spelled as subscribe, and also push that notification bell on so that you'll know every time I have a new upload. All right? Okay, I'll give you a few seconds. Awesome. Okay. And if you have been friends with me for the longest time, you are awesome. Thank you so much for dropping by. And yes, I have already cleaned my face. I have done the skincare already. And also just a little bit of disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. This is gonna be my first time trying on makeup, because technically, guys, BB cream is still makeup. However, it is more on the skincare related benefits, okay? And before I do that though, I would like to try this on first just to give my skin a little bit of moisture. This is the Luxe Organix Aloe Vera Vitamin Water for face and body. Okay, I'll put this right now before we will try the Blackwater BB cream for men, okay? So that our face will have a little bit of moisture. All right, there you go. It smells so good. It smells like aloe vera. It feels so refreshing and invigorating and rejuvenating and all that good stuff that is pertaining to aloe vera. All right, so let's just wait for maybe a few seconds or a minute up until the aloe vera vitamin water will seep in on our face, and this is the product that I'll be using. Blackwater BB cream for men. It's in beige and it has oil control. Okay, so I have been scouring whole Cebu City regarding this. I've also been DMing like some YouTubers, because this is actually not a very new product, guys. There's a lot of male YouTubers who have been reviewing this already, and they told me that I can get it at online websites or online shopping websites. However, I don't want to pay for the for the shipping fee. So I went to Ayala. I was able to buy this at Watson's Ayala Center, Cebu here, Cebu City, the mall, for 180 pesos, as you can see. And from the get-go, what I can see is that it has a very cool packaging, because the marketing is intended for for us males, and it's supposedly to have oil control. We will test that in a while, and I'm just gonna read what it says on the back. Okay. BB cream for men. Take your grooming to the next level with Blackwater's BB cream formulated for men. This BB cream has a natural coverage that helps out with minimizing the appearance of blemishes and uneven skin tone. Its lightweight, matte finish keeps you shine-free for hours. And it says here, shake well before using. Okay, so from the get-go, the packaging is very masculine, just very simple, black and black and white. However, though, there's only just one shade, which is beige. That could be a bit of a disadvantage, because Filipino men tends to be a little bit more tan or darker skin tone than women. And this is what the product looks like. I don't know if it's actually from bilena. However, it does says here Blackwater, and imported and distributed by bilena Cosmetics. And yeah, let's open it, guys. Okay, I think I can feel the Luxe Organics Vitamin Water already working its magic. Okay, I just hope that it's not gonna be very white or very fair for my skin. Okay, let's do it right now. And oh my god, it's not. I think I need to shake it, because it says here shake well before using. I forgot to shake it, guys. Sorry about that. So yeah, let's shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake It by Taylor Swift. Comment down below if you know that song. Shake It Off, right? Shake It Off. And also Shake It Off by Mariah. Come on, you guys. I know you love to shake it. What am I saying? Come on, Adam. Oh my god. Oh no, where's the freaking product? Where is it? Seriously. Oh, sorry. There is a silver. What do you call this? Good thing. That's a very, very good thing. They have like, I don't know what this is. This one is called on the on skincare products. Comment down below if you know it. Okay. So I was able to remove that seal. Yeah, it's a seal or whatever. So now I see a little bit of a product already. It has like a very faint smell, guys. So I think that's something that you need to know. But okay. So it looks like this. It's quite thick and pigmented. Is that the right word? Pigmented or whatever. So let's try this on. I would like to use my fingers. This is gonna be my first time doing this, okay? So let's just wing it, and I'll probably do a lot of mistakes in the next few minutes. Let me know. Okay, I'll just make sure your fingers or your hands are clean. Okay, it looks like this. Like I said, the tone or the shade is beige. Only, I think it is just like about the one and only shade that they have, which is not a very, very good thing. They might wanna, I don't know, extend their shade range. Okay, let's try to do this. Okay, I'll put it here just a little bit. I'll try to put it first on one side of my face, and let's see how it goes. Just want to do it like very, very minimal first, and I'll try to spread it. Oh my god, is it really, really white though? As you can see though, I have a lot of redness in my face. I still have a few allergies, guys, but I'm just trying to see if this mask or this BB cream will be able to hide it. Let's try to check if this is, oh my god, I think it's very, very light or white for my skin tone. What do you think? But yeah, let's just see if it will set. Because normally BB cream will oxidize. And okay. So far it is actually, alright. And I'll try to put on the other side of my face. Like I said, guys, it has actually no smell at all. It's very, very faint. Oh, it does feel very lightweight from the get-go. Of course, you might wanna, it's all up to you. The good thing about makeup, guys, is that you do you. Whatever works for you, just do it. It's almost like a trial and error, as always. It's very, very lightweight, guys. Trust me. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything at all, although I can sense now that it is controlling my oil, the oils on my face already. I have to use my beauty finger. This is the beauty finger, guys, if you don't know. I don't know. I've read or I've heard about that somewhere. That's what happens when you watch a lot of skincare videos or whatever. Oh my god, is it too light though? I feel like it's too light for me. Let's just wait, because most probably it will set after a minute or two. The products will set on the skin. And if you're one of those people that you don't want it to have a very, very pale effect on your skin, of course you can always use some lip tint here. I don't have lip tint, but I have been intending to buy one. just for the for the sake of this video as well, or so that I'll be able to show you. Wow. All right. Is it too light though? What am I doing? But yeah, I guess that is it. You can always use sponge, guys, but if you're like me, like I said, this is my first time. Don't bash me on this or whatever, but like I said, I'll probably do a lot of mistakes for on this video. I have a lot of friends who are vloggers, YouTubers, who does a lot of makeup reviews and skincare product reviews, so yes, you can help me out. But so far, as I can see here, it is mattifying my skin. The skin tone is evened out so far, and I think it is setting. It is setting and oxidizing. So far, so good. So we'll probably, I'll do a wear test. I'll wear this, for the whole day. Right now it's 9:23 in the morning, and I'll wear this whole day, and I'll get back to you after a few hours to check if it has the oil control that it is supposed to claim, because it is claiming that it has oil control. But right now, guys, I do feel like it is, so far so good. Yeah, it is evening out my skin tone, although I can see some bits here, but that's most probably because of my allergies. What do you think so far, guys? Comment below. Is it too light on my skin tone? Like I said, though, they only have one shade or one tone right now, which is beige. Probably, hello, Blackwater, ever bilena, you might want to have a few other tones or a few other shades, like maybe a little bit darker, perhaps. Okay. All right. Let's do a wear test. I'll be back in a few hours.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, I'm back after almost 4 hours. I went to the store earlier to at the Carinderia to go and grab some food, and this is how my face looks like. I haven't blotted it yet. So far, actually, it is looking to be controlling the oil, although I can now feel a little bit of oiliness already. So it's now time to do the blotting tests. I have my blue film, oil film blotting paper here, and let's do this right now. Let's try to check if it is indeed living up to its claims to have an oil control. Okay. All right. So far though, like I said, it is proving to be a very, very good product, especially with the evening out of the skin tone and at the same time with the oil. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. It does have some oiliness on the paper already, but you know what? This is still good for me. Even though it has been 4 hours already, so I can say that it is actually a very, very good product. Now, here are my sort of initial or final thoughts, perhaps. Regarding with the price, which is 180 pesos, it's actually quite inexpensive and readily available already. Thinking that it is has like around 40 ml of product, it is a good price point. Second, the packaging is very, very masculine and manly looking, black and white, as you saw earlier. So that's a plus. Remember that this, their target market is the male population, obviously. So, and third, with the oil control, I can say that it is like, I don't know, from rate 1 to 10, I would say an 8, because it seems to be controlling the, my oily skin. I do have like a combination oily skin type. Although guys, at the end of the day, it would really depend on your type of skin. Okay. Now, my disadvantages for this product would be they should have like a wider range of shades or tone. Like currently they only have the beige as far as I know. So, like I said earlier, Filipino men tends to have a darker skin tone than women. So if their target are the Filipino males, then they should have a much darker shade or tone for the BB cream product, right? Okay. And also, I would like to point out that this product does not have SPF. It may have, if it has like a little bit of SPF 30, something like that. Although if that would be the case, the product price point will be a little bit higher. Yeah, I think that's what I'm thinking. So, would I recommend it? I would actually recommend it. However, for those people who would really want like a finished, complete look, I would suggest that you would maybe put a loose powder or a setting powder after it, because the product will actually seep into here. I was able to see it earlier, but just be ready with your blotting paper because you may need to blot every 2 or 3 hours. But so far it is, from 1 to 10, I would say the product is 8 out of 10. Still needs some improvement like everything else in every aspects of skincare, beauty, makeup products. So I would totally buy it in the future. But with this amount of product for 180 pesos, I'm not sure if I'll be buying another one anytime soon. So, good job ever, Belena. And guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you'll be able to get some information regarding this product. I have tried to do this as complete a review as possible so that it will be helpful for you. All right. So if you have questions, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want me to review some other skincare products, although I have lined up a lot of new products already to be reviewed so that you'll be able to know how it goes on me. So at the end of the day, guys, like I said earlier, makeup is subjective. So you do you, whatever works for you, makeup wise, skincare wise, it's always going to be a trial and error. So whatever is hiyang, as what we say here in the Philippines, whatever works for you, just stick with it, do it, and stay awesome. All right, bye everyone.